In this video, I'll show you how to create a new file on your computer. First, go to the desktop. Now, right-click on an empty area. From the menu, select New. You'll now see different file options, such as text document, folder, Microsoft Word document, and more. Choose the type of file you want to create. For example, if you want to create a text file, click on Text Document. A new file will appear instantly. Now type a name for the file and press Enter. To open the file, simply double-click on it. You can now start typing or adding content inside the file. After making changes, press Ctrl+S to save the file. That's it! This is how you can create a new file on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!